In this video lesson, we will learn how to generate Fibonacci series in Python. We know that Fibonacci series starts with 0, then 1. The subsequent numbers are generated by adding the preceding two numbers. Let this is F1. And this is F2. Let the next number in the series is F. So F should be the sum of F1 and F2. Currently, F1 is 0 and F2 is 1. So F is equal to 0 plus 1. Is equal to 1. So, the next number in the series is 1. Now we will calculate the next number. Now, F1 points to this number. And F2 points to this number. That is, now, F1 is 1 and F2 is also 1. So, F is equal to 1 plus 1. Is equal to 2. So, our next number in the series is 2. In the similar way, our next number is 3. Then we get 5. Then 8. "13. And so on. So, this is our logic for generating the Fibonacci series. We will now implement this logic in our Python codes. Let's start coding in an editor. 0 is assigned to F1. 1 is assigned to F2. Print these two initial numbers. Variable n is our counter. It is set to 8 as we want to print another 8 numbers. We have already printed 2 numbers. Now we will generate the subsequent Fibonacci numbers inside a while loop. The next number F is obtained by adding F1 and F2. We have got the next number, just print it. Now assign the value of f2 to f1. And f to f2. Just printed another number. Decrease our counter by 1. This loop will be iterated over and over, until n becomes 0. This way we will get the subsequent numbers of the Fibonacci series. Let's run the program in a terminal and check the result. We have saved the code in a file named Fibonacci.py. So, type Python Fibonacci.py and press enter. And here is the output. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc., etc. So, our code is working fine. If you want more numbers in the series, just increase the value of n. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.